Facebook's Playables ad format allows advertisers to create interactive ads that enable users to sample or demo a mobile game or app before installing it. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Facebook's Playables ad format. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Start a new campaign. Click on the Create button in Ads Manager to initiate a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goals for the Playables ad. Common objectives for Playables ads include app installs or app engagement. 4. Configure ad set. In the ad set level, define your target audience, placements, budget, and schedule. Ensure that your targeting is specific to reach users who are likely to engage with your mobile game or app. 5. Select Playables ad format. In the Ad Creative section, choose the Playable format. This option allows you to create an interactive ad experience that lets users try your app or game directly within the ad. 6. Link your app. Link your mobile app to the Playables ad. Facebook will generate a playable demo version of your app that users can interact with in the ad. 7. Customize your Playable ad. Customize your Playables ad by adding interactive elements, such as buttons, swipes, or taps, to mimic the gameplay or functionality of your app. 8. Add descriptive text. Include descriptive text that explains the purpose of the ad and encourages users to interact with the playable demo. Clearly communicate the value proposition of your app or game. 9. Include a call to action, CTA. Choose a relevant CTA button for your Playables ad, such as Play Now or Try It. The CTA guides users on the next steps they should take after interacting with the playable demo. 10. Preview your playable ad. Use the preview feature to see how your Playables ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that the interactive elements work smoothly and that the ad provides an engaging user experience. 11. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your Playables ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 12. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your Playables ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Track metrics such as impressions, clicks, installs, and engagement to assess its effectiveness. 13. Engage with users. Respond to comments and engage with users who interact with your Playables ad. Encourage them to download the full version of your app or game after trying the demo. 14. Optimize for user experience. Ensure that the playable demo provides a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Test the ad on different devices to identify and fix any issues that may arise. 15. Utilize insights for optimization. Use Facebook Insights to gather data on user interactions with your Playables ad. Analyze user behavior, click-through rates, and engagement to optimize future Playables ads for better results. By following these steps, you can create an engaging and interactive Playables ad that allows users to sample or demo your mobile game or app directly within the ad. Regularly analyze performance metrics and refine your strategy to optimize your Playables ads for better engagement and app installs. So that's it. See you soon.